Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add a story on Messenger. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app, and whenever you logged into your account, you will come in this home page, and you will see over here on the top below the search bar, you will see over here WhatsApp. So in this you will see create story, a plus icon. Click on that and then choose a story that you want to add on your story. For me, I want to add a story of ball this ball, and that's how you can check it out, or you can simply add it on the Facebook as well, because it's added on Facebook also on Messenger. So you can simply click on settings icon, and you will see over here you can add to public or friends or custom. If you want to add like 2 to 3 friends on the Facebook or Messenger, you can simply click on that and select the peoples that you want to add over here. For me, I want to add it publicly, and you can see over here for friends as well. So you can simply click on that and then click on save and click on change, and you can simply do is click on add story. You can simply click on that, and then it's gonna be added on your story. So as you can see, it's processing to add a story. You can see over here at the bottom the second option called story. Click on that, and then you will see over here your story over here. So click on that story, and you can see over here your story is added to Messenger, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.